Yes, first and second path rule, basics from the field of probability theory. Now let's take this example. You roll a die and consider whether it comes up 6 or not. And it's a die where all sides have the same probability. That means the probability of rolling a 6 would be 1/6 and not rolling a 6 would be 5/6. Yes? Then comes the next roll, the second roll. Yes, that's the first roll, either a 6 or not a 6. Then comes the second roll. Again, it can be a 6 or not a 6. Again, 1/6, 5/6, 1/6, and 5/6. Here it would be the principle of drawing with replacement. It's different, and I've also made videos about this. For example, if you reach into a box and take out a ball and then leave the ball out and don't put it back in, then it would be drawing without replacement. Now here's the example. First roll, second roll, first path rule. If I'm interested in a probability now, for example, what's the probability of getting 2 6s in 2 rolls? That would be path 1. 1/6, 1/6, and the first path rule says that along a path you multiply, so 1/6 times 1/6. That would be 1/36, which is the probability of getting a 6 twice when I roll a die twice. That is the first path rule. The second path rule states that if you're interested in several calculated paths, you add them together. So let's take the example. With 2 rolls, you're interested in the probability that either you get a 6 twice or neither roll is a 6. No 6 on either roll, yes, that would be 5/6 times 5/6 according to the first path rule. 5/6 times 5/6 equals 25/36. And since we're interested in these 2 probabilities now, that's what you would calculate. With 1/36 plus 25/36 equals 26/36. That would be the probability that in 2 rolls you either roll a 6 twice in a row or don't roll a 6 on either roll. First path rule, along a path you multiply. Second path rule, if I'm interested in several calculated paths, you add them accordingly. And you'll find everything else in the corresponding playlist. Models, drawing with replacement, drawing without replacement, more examples, and then it's math. If you recognize the term, the danger is gone.